you. If you kick me, I'll kick you too. You want me to kick you? No, no, no. You're not yet behaved, Baba. You stay there. Behave first before you eat. Because if you're not behaved, you cannot eat. Sit down on the sofa. Behave, huh? Please don't throw tantrums. Please behave. Because mommy's tired, daddy's tired, Evie's tired. No, 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 not there, Baba. There. I don't want you to sit down. I'll give you water. Sit down there first. I'll give you water. Sit down there first. Okay? Relax, Baba. I'll give you water. You sit down there. Wait. I'll get water for you. Many water? It's okay. Mom is not mad, Baba.
Mom.
You keep on kicking. It's okay. I'm sorry also. I'm not angry, Papa. But don't hurt people, don't kick people, don't smack things, don't smack mommy and daddy. Okay? It hurt. Yeah, we will eat, but you have to calm down first. Okay? Drink water. Fix the sofa. Fix the chair. Kasa, fix the chair now. And then we'll eat. Okay? Look what you did in the sofa, Baba, with the sofa. It's all messed up, right? You fix the sofa. Now, hurry up. I'll help you. I'll remove this first. Put this one there. Hurry up. Put it. Slowly. Now put this one. Fix. One more. Okay? One pa. And then the table, because you kick the table, right? Put the table here. Hurry up, I'll help you. Help Evie. Come on, help Evie to get the table. Here. Get this side, I'll get this side. Come on. Help Evie. Baba, we'll eat after. Come on. It's okay, Baba. Okay, we will eat. Help Levi first. Come on. Help Levi first. Come on, help Levi first. It's okay. It's okay. I'll help you. It's okay. You help me first with this one. Help me first with this one.
Jump.
Yeah, we're gonna drive tomorrow morning again. Here. Have a sit here. This way. Have a sit here. Sit down. Sorry, Mom. Mom's not mad, Baba. Mom's not angry. Mommy just got hurt because you. Today we went to Robinson, right? We went to school. There was a birthday party at school. You did not enjoy? See? It's time to rest. Because when it's nighttime, what do you do? What do you do in the nighttime? What? That's upstairs. Okay? Because you kick Dad also. Dad is crying upstairs. Because you kick Dad. It hurts. What if we kick you also like this and like that? Ate Ina's in Mali. Eat na because Evie's very hungry also. Mom. It's okay, Mom. Sit down, Mom. Mom, sit down, Mom. Sit down, Mom. Wait, I'll get my food. I'm hungry also. Are you hungry? Evie's hungry also. I'll eat chicken too. Okay?
Sorry, Mom.
Mom, sorry. Just saying sorry, Mom. Just didn't mean it. Just didn't mean to kick you and Daddy. Okay. Sorry, Mom. It's okay.
Daddy, okay. Daddy, sorry nila si Jasa. Sorry, Jasa.
Okay, calm down, Baba. Calm down. We're gonna drive.
Okay na daw. Oh,
Daddy's here.
Dab.
Yeah.
Oh,
Daddy loves you.
Okay, thank
M
you.
on the dog. M on the
Yeah,
dog.
but we can drive, but not tonight.
Tonight, tomorrow.
Tomorrow again, because it's night time.